High point for me as an actor. Being in the dump yard for like 6 hours. The high point of me as an actor in Kubera. Because actually, ma'am, as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye opener, this film in a way. But also getting this privilege to work in this film, work with this character, and also Shekhar Kamala sir has a way of always getting their actors to real locations. They don't like put up a set and all of that. So we were actually like doing, I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots.
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, I got. Yeah, now it's done. So, you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of what gorilla shoot is. So we were holding the camera and running around like the whole day, and we were like, okay, get into the car. Okay, get out of the car. Now we got to get this shot. And we didn't even see the monitor. We didn't even know what we were going for. But the master of it all was Shekhar sir. And getting to work with him, I think all of us have really like given it in for this film. So I hope you guys really like it.
Bless you and thank you for that story. I have a quick question from Entertainment of India. Shravan wants to ask you this, Rashmika. You've played such emotionally rich characters before, but in Kubera, where emotions meet ambition and greed, what part of the role left a mark on you?
I think honestly, you haven't seen much of this character yet. Because there's a lot more, as in so far we've seen one teaser and this song, and this song is also like she going a little off, the story just to have a little bit of her life and her fun. But the story, you still don't know anything about this character, and you will be in fact surprised tomorrow when you watch it. And I think I'm waiting for that moment.
The trailer to be out?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the question. I don't think you need to do this, but somebody still wants to know. Did you ever feel like manifesting some Kubera energy for your bank balance too?
Oh. Listen, guys, the reality is you will be shocked. Every day I do manifest, but it doesn't come true. I'm kidding. I'm happy. I'm happy where I am. I'm really grateful where I am. And thank you for all your love because of you, I am where I am today. And thank you. And that's all.
That love you give us on Instagram and we take it with all our might. Thank you for those beautifully inspirational positivity ka bhandar wale videos. Being #1 actress, do you want to say something to everyone who is being toying you and saying this is the #1 actor in a really long time of your kind of art?
Ma'am, the way you're saying it, no, I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now. I'm like, should I give like very inspirational answer or motivational answer? I don't know. But thank you for saying that, sir. Wait.
We're all waiting.
Sorry. No, thank you for saying that. But I feel like I honestly have just started because I don't know what this whole #1 situation is because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood.
Yeah.
So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting.
One more question by Bartaman. I will give it to sir as well. Debabrati Bhattacharya wants to ask you, after the huge success of pan-India movies like Pushpa, Animal, you are the pan-India queen. Let's make some noise for that, yeah? What is your take on pan-India movies, and also what is your biggest takeaway from this movie?
I think we should actually have this point where all of you guys are answering. I think it'll be a cool mix-up. Henna? Huh?
We love you.
What? I didn't hear. Say it again now.
Love you.
Be nice.
They're always nice to you because you're so nice to them.
No, but this film, sir. Sir?
Twinkle, twinkle, superstar, bol rahe ho.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're too special. Thank you.
That's Chaitanya sir who was